the sort of statement given by Rahul Gandhi?
See, Rahul ji has met the family. He met them separately without anybody, and with the children and with his wife Amneet ji, and they have discussed this issue. And I think Rahul ji has given a very measured and fair and without any color. He has given a free and frank opinion here that whatever the family wants, that's what we want. That's what the whole country should want.
Well, the onus and responsibility has been put by Rahul Gandhi on the Prime Minister as well as the Chief Minister of Haryana. Today, we've saw some sort of action taking place. The DG Shatrujit Kapoor being asked to proceed on leave. We've also saw an officiating DG additional charge being given to OP Singh. How do you see this? Do you see these are concrete steps?
Surely the onus does lie with the Prime Minister and with the Chief Minister, first and foremost, because they are heading this. UT is under central government. The state where the officer was serving and the way it has happened. So the Chief Minister is also there. Both of them are responsible, and 8 days have passed and nothing has happened today because Rahul ji was coming here. So this action, so-called action I would call it, which is nothing but an eyewash. Just asking an officer to proceed on leave. This could have been done 7 days back. It was not done. But this does not amount to justice for the family, for the departed soul. Absolutely not.
Talking about stop this tamasha, that's the word he used. How do you see that? I mean, do you think...
Yeah, because every day the officers are visiting the family. They are feeling tortured. They are feeling tormented. The father, the husband, the son is lying in a mortuary. Is that not a torture? Is that
You
not
think there's a
tamasha?
pressure to compromise in this particular case, especially on the
See,
family?
the pressure is there. It's for everyone to see. And I must say it's very courageous of them not to buckle under pressure. They are simply asking for justice. I don't think that they are asking for anything which cannot be done. Justice is everybody's right, but it seems here that justice is not a Dalit's right.
Kumari Shelja using very strong words, especially regarding why Puran Kumar's case. And remember, this is where the pressure continues to mount on Saini government. And remember, the action coming after just about a week. And this is where there is still consent awaited as far as the post-mortem is concerned. Remember, a whole lot of activities will really happen only after some consent. And whether this sort of move by the Saini government is seen acceptable by the family. Meanwhile, big leaders including Rahul Gandhi, Chirag Paswan continue to visit the family at a time this nation is focused on the issue whether such a caste-based discrimination is tolerated. But meanwhile, remember, the pressure mounted on Saini government. With camera person Gujjeet, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu.